You are going to love the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, backup camera, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated outside mirrors, center armrest, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.